What is a metaphor? When you What is a metaphor? When you use a metaphor in a sentence, you are saying that a person, place, thing or animal is something else and not like something else. A metaphor is also known as a device that compares something to another thing to create a resemblance. For example, she is an angel. We know that this is an image of a girl. However, the author wants to create an image of her character by using the word angel. The same applies to this image. The situation is a train crash. The metaphor is comparing the decorating to a disaster. And here's another. Her claw-shaped hand gripped his shoulder. The metaphor, claw-shaped, is used to create an image of the teacher's hand. Follow and like for more tips.
Nope.